treehouse folks, DIY enthusiasts, and homesteaders. Today we're going to be going to my friend Paul's and cutting down a couple pine trees for logs so that I can bring it back here and then get my portable sawmill guy to come and saw them out for my future greenhouse. That'll be coming in upcoming episodes. So let's head on over to Paul's. We're already late. A bird found my helmet and made a nest out of it. And the little baby bird, little chick, is in there.
Okay, Rick, you got your safety gear, buddy?
I got everything. I'm all set.
Oh, yes.
We're bringing those trees down, right?
Yeah, those are coming down, baby.
Okay.
First cut to make is the face cut in the direction that I'm going to fell the tree. So there's a bottom cut and top cut, which take the next bird's mouth out. Plunge cut that goes along the same line as the face cut. It's an inch and a half to 2 inches at a time. Face cut, so you can cut all the way through on both sides. And set some wedges in both sides.
Tree. No, not that one.
And then
Okay,
cut
okay.
that final piece in the
Just
back.
put it back the way it was.
As Paul was pushing the log onto the truck with the tractor, I was trying to roll it to get it over this little rise in the deck of the truck bed. It kept getting caught on it. The front of the log kept getting caught on it and wanting to push the truck forward. And you'll see what happens. The truck was in gear, but unfortunately I had it second gear, which is kind of like first gear for most trucks, but for a heavy duty truck like this without an emergency brake, I should have had it in first or reverse. But I did take the precaution as I got out of the truck when I had parked it initially to turn the wheels so that if it did roll forward, it would go a couple feet and hit up against the cement bridge abutment and not go over the bank and fall 10 feet down into the stream and make it almost an impossible thing to get it out. The only problem was when I jumped off the truck just then, I did tweak my back a little bit. It didn't feel too good for half of the day after that.
We got it. There's the wood for the sawmill that I'm gonna have coming by. So thanks, Paul.
You're welcome. Bye, Rick. Hey, what happened to your angel wings? Okay, Rick, be safe on your drive. It's time for you to go.
Okay. Wish me away. Wish me away. Wish me.
Okay, poof, go.
Whenever you're working with a chainsaw, safety is important. You need a good helmet, steel-toe boots, work gloves, Kevlar chaps, and angel wings. And of course, magic wand. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.